Ask yourself, how much is your health data worth? Right now, traditional healthcare companies treat your personal data, your most intimate and valuable asset, as a commodity to be sold. You get nothing, but what if the next generation of decentralized finance could fix that? What if the path to true wealth was literally paved with your physical effort? The global IoT and healthcare market is valued at over $175 billion in 2025, and the blockchain and healthcare market is projected to grow at an unprecedented 35% CAGR.
This is not a niche. This is a seismic shift. And at the epicenter of this intersection sits MeditechX, MTX.
This is not a move-to-earn project. This is an exercise-to-earn E2E ecosystem backed by scientific patents and built on the philosophical premise that your physical activity is a verifiable proof of work. The team's urgency is clear. An IEO initial exchange offering is confirmed for mid-December on CoinStore. The clock is ticking on the presale. Today, we are moving beyond the surface. This is the MTX investment thesis. We're dissecting the patent-backed technology, crunching every number in the tokenomics, and detailing the exact arbitrage opportunity that exists right now in the public sale. This is the deepest analysis you will find. Let's jump in. Part 1. The technical and philosophical edge. The core strength of MeditechX lies in its trifactor technology stack: IoT, AI, and Web3. This combination is designed to solve the three biggest problems of digital health: accuracy, privacy, and incentive. IoT for data collection. The platform monitors daily physical activities, but critically, it collects sophisticated metrics like exercise difficulty and movement accuracy. This means simple phone shaking is filtered out. They are leveraging multimodal validation data from wearables, potentially combined with proprietary camera analysis to ensure the highest level of trust. AI for validation. This validation is crucial. The AI doesn't just process data, it uses proprietary algorithms to detect over 30 exercise types. This is the anti-fraud layer. In a market plagued by superficial systems, MTX is building a verifiable, patent-backed proof of workout. This protects the integrity of the token and its long-term value. Web3 for ownership. Finally, and most importantly, data sovereignty. The Web3 platform ensures that while data is collected for research and reward, it is handled while fully respecting users' privacy. This is the philosophical foundation. You are not the product, you are the owner and the beneficiary of the data you generate. The mission is clear: to enhance long-term health and commit to supporting the medical community and advancing research. Your daily walk is now a direct, financially incentivized contribution to global science. Part 2. The earning mechanism and tokenomics analysis. The exercise-to-earn mechanic allows users to mine MTX tokens, but the success of any earning model is its distribution schedule. Let's break down the 10 billion MTX total supply. Exercise-to-earn 30%. Token count 3 billion tokens. It is the largest single pool, a massive commitment to user retention and long-term utility. This drives the whole ecosystem. Presale 20%. Token count 2 billion tokens. This is the current opportunity, a large, well-funded early entry. M11%. Token count 1.1 billion tokens. It's modest and responsible. Suggests a long vesting period and long-term alignment, not a quick exit. Marketing. Token count 1.1 billion tokens. Essential for scaling into the multi-billion-dollar IoT market. Expect aggressive global campaigns. CEX listing 10%. Token count 1 billion tokens. Crucial for liquidity and price stability when MTX hits CoinStore. Partnership. Token count 1 billion tokens. Reserved for integrations, potentially with established healthcare providers or tech giants. Private sale, 5%. Token count, 500 million tokens. Already completed, setting the initial low price anchor. Airdrop, 1%. Token count, 100 million tokens. Community engagement and awareness. Donation, 2%. Token count, 200 million tokens. Reinforces the social mission and commitment to health research. The clear takeaway is that 73% of the non-team and non-sale supply is dedicated to the ecosystem's future: E2E, marketing, partnerships, and listing liquidity. This is the structure of a project built to scale, not simply to sell tokens. Part 3. The presale, arbitrage, and urgency. This is the part everyone asks about. Where is the profit? It's in the gap. The strategy is to capitalize on the guaranteed listing price. As the documentation states, the phased approach ensures that early participation allows investors to maximize potential profits. Let's look at the public sale opportunity compared to the listing price. Public sale 1 and 2, $0.05. Listing price $0.0516. The difference, $0.0016. The ferret represents a guaranteed minimum gain of 3.2% before the token even begins trading on the open market. While 3.2% might not sound like a moonshot, it's a foundational profit, an almost guaranteed return on capital once the CEX listing goes live. But remember, the private sale investors at 0.036 are looking at a 43% profit just on listing, which creates massive selling pressure and FOMO upon launch. The urgency is amplified by the known listing details. MTX is scheduled for an IEO on CoinStore in mid-December. The pre-sale supply is dwindling, and once this listing window closes, you will be forced to buy at the market price, forfeiting that crucial initial profit margin. Part 4. Risk Mitigation and Trust Indicator. As an analyst, I must also address the risks. All crypto, especially new launches, is volatile. The move to earn genre specifically faces challenges like price volatility and inflation if token emission is too high. However, MeditechX has built-in features to mitigate these structural risks. Anti-inflationary utility. The high percentage of E2E tokens is balanced by the patent-backed, AI-driven anti-fraud system. If the system prevents cheating, the supply earned is verifiably scarce, fighting inflation. This is its most important risk mitigation feature. Liquidity and CEX commitment. The 10% CEX listing allocation and the confirmed CoinStore IEO provide crucial liquidity and a strong exchange partner, minimizing the risk of slippage and illiquidity often seen in smaller launches. Physical presence and legitimacy. The team has demonstrated an exceptional level of commitment by setting up a physical office in Dubai. This is a massive trust indicator, moving them out of the realm of anonymous internet projects and into the regulated business world. In crypto, audited code is great, but a verifiable physical address in a financial hub is an even stronger signal of intent. This foundation of verifiable activity, conservative team allocation, and physical presence makes the MTX investment thesis far stronger than a typical E2E project. Finally, how do we know this is real? We look at the community and the footprint. First, the transparency. The project website links directly to their Telegram for real-time support and their Twitter X for market insights. I highly recommend joining their Telegram group, not just to talk, but to see how responsive the admins are. A responsive team is a bullish signal. Second, the physical presence. As I mentioned earlier, MeditechX is reported to be the first healthcare blockchain company with a physical office in Dubai. In a world of anonymous devs and faceless projects, having a tangible headquarters in a crypto-friendly hub like Dubai adds a layer of legitimacy that 99% of memecoins do not have. We have dissected the technology, scrutinized the tokenomics, and detailed the financial opportunity. MTX is positioned to capture value from two exponential growth markets, IoT healthcare and blockchain adoption. They are not chasing trends, they are building the infrastructure for the next generation of digital health. The time to act is now. The presale is the final chance to enter before the exchange listing unlocks the token's full potential on the open market. Do your own research, but do it quickly. Download their white paper, scrutinize their documentation, and join the conversation on Telegram and X, Twitter. So to answer the question, why join the MTX presale? Because you are getting in on the ground floor of a project that solves a real-world problem. You are buying an asset that generates yield through your own physical health. You are entering at a price point lower than the confirmed listing price. And you are backing a team that has allocated 30% of the supply back to the community. MTX is not just a token, it is a bet that the future of health is digital, decentralized, and profitable. Do not let this opportunity run past you. Don't just watch this health revolution from the sidelines. Get active, get earning, and secure your financial future. This is the deep vested interest you've been waiting for. All the links you need, the white paper, the presale page, and the community channels are in the description below. Go do your research, check the numbers, and if you're ready to sweat for your crypto, I'll see you on the inside.